In today's dynamic business landscape, the ability for different teams to work together seamlessly is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether it's marketing joining forces with sales, development collaborating with design, or customer support aligning with product, effective cross-team collaboration fuels innovation, boosts efficiency, and ultimately drives success. However, the reality for many organizations is often characterized by fragmented communication, duplicated efforts, and a lack of shared visibility, creating frustrating silos that hinder progress. Enter Scoro, a comprehensive work management software designed to break down these barriers and foster a truly collaborative environment. Think of Scoro as a central digital hub where different teams can connect, communicate, and coordinate their efforts with clarity and purpose. It provides a shared platform that transcends individual team boundaries, enabling a holistic view of projects, tasks, and resources. So, how exactly does Scoro achieve this collaborative magic? Let's delve into its key features and functionalities. 1. Centralized project management, the foundation of unity. At its core, Scoro offers a robust project management framework that serves as the bedrock for cross-team collaboration. Instead of teams operating in their own isolated project management tools or spreadsheets, Scoro brings all projects into one unified platform. This means that everyone, regardless of their team affiliation, can access the same project information, including project scope and objectives. Clearly defined goals and deliverables ensure that all teams are aligned on what needs to be achieved. Task breakdown and assignments. Projects are broken down into manageable tasks with clear responsibilities assigned to individuals, even if they belong to different teams. Deadlines and milestones. Shared timelines and milestones provide a common understanding of project progress and dependencies, relevant documents and communication. All crucial project-related files, discussions, and updates are stored centrally, eliminating the need for endless email threads and scattered information. By providing this single source of truth for all project-related information, Scoro eliminates ambiguity, reduces misunderstandings, and ensures that everyone is on the same page, fostering a sense of shared ownership and collective responsibility. 2. Enhanced communication and transparency, bridging the gaps. Effective communication is the lifeblood of successful collaboration, especially across different teams. Scoro offers several features that streamline communication and enhance transparency. In-platform communication. Instead of relying solely on email, teams can communicate directly within the context of specific tasks or projects. This keeps conversations organized and easily accessible to relevant stakeholders. Real-time updates and notifications. Scoro provides instant notifications on task progress, deadline changes, and new comments, ensuring that everyone stays informed without being overwhelmed by unnecessary emails. Shared calendars and resource scheduling. Teams can view each other's availability and schedules, making it easier to plan meetings, allocate resources effectively, and avoid scheduling conflicts. Progress visualization. Visual dashboards and reports provide a clear overview of project progress, highlighting potential roadblocks and allowing teams to proactively address issues together. This level of transparency and seamless communication breaks down the traditional walls between teams, fostering a more open and collaborative environment where information flows freely and potential problems can be identified and resolved collectively. 3. Streamlined task management and workflow automation, orchestrating team efforts. When multiple teams are involved in a project, managing tasks and ensuring a smooth workflow can become complex. Scoro simplifies this process through interdependent task management. Teams can easily link tasks that are dependent on each other, ensuring that work flows seamlessly from one team to the next. For example, the marketing team's campaign launch tasks can be linked to the sales team's follow-up activities. Customizable workflows. Scoro allows organizations to define and automate workflows that span across different teams. This ensures consistency, reduces manual effort, and keeps everyone aligned on the process. Clear task assignments and responsibilities. Each task is clearly assigned to specific individuals, regardless of their team, eliminating confusion and ensuring accountability. Progress tracking and time management. Teams can track their time spent on tasks, providing valuable insights into project efficiency and potential bottlenecks. By providing a structured and automated approach to task management, Scoro ensures that different teams can work together in a coordinated and efficient manner, minimizing friction and maximizing productivity. 4. Shared reporting and analytics, gaining a holistic view. To truly collaborate effectively, teams need a shared understanding of performance and progress. Scoro's comprehensive reporting and analytics capabilities provide this holistic view. Cross-team project reports generate reports that consolidate data from different teams involved in a project, providing insights into overall progress, resource utilization, and potential risks. Performance dashboards. Customizable dashboards allow stakeholders from different teams to track key metrics relevant to their respective areas, while also providing an overview of the bigger picture. Resource allocation reports understand how resources are being utilized across different teams and projects, enabling better planning and preventing overallocation or underutilization. Financial performance reports track project profitability and financial performance across different teams, providing a unified view of the financial impact of collaborative efforts.